Every year, Amazon sellers look forward to the Black Friday as their most profitable weekend of the year. But the reality is, many small businesses don't plan wisely and end up losing money. They feel like cutting down prices or giving big discounts will get more sales. But this can end up costing a lot. It's like giving away too much profit just to sell more stuff. And sometimes they also lose the brand value. In this video, I will break down the financial pitfalls of the Black Friday and show you the strategies to avoid these traps and also protect your brand value. First, let's look at why Black Friday can be a losing game for a typical Amazon seller. Running discounts on the Black Friday sale can be a losing game. Imagine you sell a product for $100 with a cost of $50 per unit. Without Amazon's fees, there's $50 in profit. But Amazon takes around 25% of the fees. So you're left with $25 profit per unit. If you sell 100 units, that's 2,500 in daily profit. On Black Friday, if you offer a 20% discount, you are only making $80 per unit with Amazon fees and your product cost. Now your profit is around $8 per unit. Now you need to sell over 3 times to make the same profit as before. If you spend more on PPC or other promotions, it will take even more money from you. This is why Black Friday discounts often hurt some small businesses more than they help. Big discounts can hurt your brand value. If your product is on sale, people sometimes see it as a desperate move to sell low-quality products. Heavy discounts on Black Friday can do the same to your brand as well. You may attract the customers who only buy during the event, but they will not stick to your brand for the rest of the year. Now let's get into the 5 Black Friday strategies to keep profits up without heavy discounts. Number 1, offer a loyalty program bonus. During Black Friday, offer loyalty points instead of discounts. Even though it's a funny money, customers love this. It's a future discount, but it feels bigger. It encourages repeat purchase. Number 2, run a free with purchase deal. Pick an item that complements your main product. It should be valuable enough to attract customers, but not too costly for you to give away. Then set a minimum spend to qualify for the item to get it free. Or give away slow-moving products to clear out inventory. This encourages larger purchases. Number 3, create product bundles. Product bundles are great for clearing your slow-moving items. Bundle popular products with older stock that complement each other. Customers also love these bundles during the holiday season. Number 4, use limited use coupons. Instead of one big discount, offer multiple coupons with limited uses, like 25% off for first 10 customers. It gives urgency and avoids devaluing your brand. Number 5, offer a one-day deal on one product. Select one item for a big discount, but for a limited quantity. Big stores use this strategy to bring in customers. For example, a 7 days of Christmas campaign with one discounted item each day. It can attract customers without heavy discounting on all products. Now, the question is why Amazon is not ideal for Black Friday sales. Well, Amazon charges higher fees during these holidays. It makes discounts even less profitable. If you're only selling on Amazon, you might want to avoid Black Friday. But if you want to participate, plan wisely. Calculate everything to secure your profit margin. If a product is already selling well, there is no need to offer a discount on it. You can apply the alternatives I have mentioned. But if you're serious about profitable holiday sales, you may consider building your own online store where you control your customer list. This will let you run email and SMS marketing, which costs less than ads. I hope now you guys know the common mistakes that Amazon sellers make during this Black Friday. So if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe and share. This is Murtuja from Ecom Clips signing off today. Thanks for watching.